Hey everyone, and welcome to Feeding Your Ginger Bug. So, I have a few things here. First, I have my already established ginger bug, which if you watched the previous video on how to do it, it's pretty simple, straightforward. Ginger, water, sugar. Let's give that a quick stir. I can see bubbles showing me that the yeast is active and things are working inside of there. I'm just going to move this to the side. I got a piece of ginger, it's about an inch long, and I have a hand grater that I'm going to use to sort of mince up that ginger. So it doesn't have to be super fine. I'm using the more coarse grate on this hand grater. And you can chop it into small pieces if you like, but I find just mincing it allows more of the ginger to integrate with the water and the sugar and just I find it works a bit better. Alright, so with that done, we're just going to take the old ginger bug that we're going to add this ginger to. And as I said, pretty simply, just put in this newly grated ginger right on top into the jar where you have your ginger bug. And the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to add a little bit of sugar to feed that yeast. And it's just 1 tablespoon. Don't have to be exact. I used about a 1 heaping tablespoon here. Just add that right in. Give it a stir, and that's pretty much it. Just want to make sure we want to dissolve all of that sugar into the liquid and close it up. You just pop it on the shelf if you want to do this every day, or just stick it into the refrigerator. If you are going to put it in the refrigerator, it's something that you're just going to have to refresh it once a week.